In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in Foxit Reader. Whether you're preparing a formal report or just want to keep your documents neatly organized, adding page numbers can enhance the overall readability and professionalism of your work. Let's dive right into the steps, ensuring that you can follow along easily. Firstly, start by opening your document in Foxit Reader. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where the taskbar resides. You're going to want to navigate over to the Organize tab. This tab contains many useful tools that help manage your document, and it's our main area of interest for this task. Once you've clicked on the Organize tab, you should look for an option labeled Header and Footer. Clicking this option will reveal a little drop-down menu where you should select the Add choice. This will open up the Add Headers and Footers dialog box, your primary workspace for customizing how you'd like your headers, footers, and page numbers to appear. In this new dialog box, you'll find a field labeled Page Number and Date Format. This is a drop-down menu that offers various formatting options for your page numbers. Click on it to see the list of formats available to you. Depending on your specific needs or preferences, you can choose the format that best suits your document. Selecting the right format is important, as it dictates how the numbers will look, ensuring they fit seamlessly with the style of your document. After you've chosen your desired page number format, go ahead and click OK to have that format applied. However, don't rush off just yet, because you'll need to confirm this change. You'll now be back on the main Add Headers and Footers dialog box. Before finalizing any changes, it can be useful to take a quick glance through other settings, just in case there's anything else you want to modify. Once satisfied, click the OK button once more in this dialog box. By following these instructions, you will have successfully applied page numbers to your document in Foxit Reader. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you get it wrong the first time or want to try another format, you can always repeat these steps as needed. Hopefully, these clear and simple instructions have helped demystify the process for you. Feel free to revisit this walkthrough anytime you need a refresher, and soon enough, adding page numbers will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy document editing.